Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use site migration plugin on SiteGround. Just tap on my Safari browser. Before you creating account, you will have to purchase the plan. If you want to buy the premium or subscription of SiteGround, please go through the link in description. You will get a referral code from me. And after creating an account, if you need to migrate more than one website to SiteGround, navigate to your client area website section and click on the new website button. So just after tapping a new website button, and you will see and install the SiteGround migrator plugin to your WordPress. Once you will have to migration token, log into your WordPress dashboard. Site you want to move to SiteGround, go to plugin and add new and install and activate the free SiteGround migrator plugin from the official WordPress plugin repository. And this is how to migrate a website on SiteGround. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.